counters. There is no plural form in the Japanese language. However, certain nouns are made plural by using counters. So these counters are used as suffixes. There are various counters, and different counters are used according to the type of noun. Some counters are mentioned below, while others will be introduced in later lessons. For counting human, this kanji is used. It's kunyomi. The Japanese reading is hito, but it's onyomi. The Chinese reading is nin. So to count one person, it is hitori. Be careful, it is not ichinin, it is hitori. Two persons are futari. It is not ninin, it is futari. The counting for one person is an exception. It is hitori, and two persons, it is futari. But three persons, it is san, three, and nin, san, nin. Three persons. Four persons, it is yo, nin. Be careful, it is yo, nin. Five persons is simple. Go is five, and nin is person. Go, nin, five persons. Six person is roku. Roku is six, and this kanji nin. So roku nin is six persons. Seven persons, it is sichi, seven, and nin, person. So seven persons. Be careful, it will never be nana nin. It is sichi nin. Eight persons, hachi is eight, and nin. So eight persons is hachi nin. Nine persons, q is nine, and nin is person. So q nin is nine persons. We will not use ku here for nine. It is q. And 10 persons, it ju is 10, and nin is person. So ju nin is 10 persons. And to ask how many persons, it is nan, then nin, nan, nin. To count long and thin objects, this kanji is used. It's kunyomi. The Japanese reading is moto, and it's onyomi. The Chinese reading is hon. So one long and thin object is a pawn. The reading is a pawn. So two long and thin objects is ni. Ni means two, and hon. So nihon is two long and thin objects. So three long and thin objects. The pronunciation is, this is san, three, and this is hon, but here it is to be pronounced as bon. So sambon means three long and thin objects. Then four long and thin objects. This is yon, four, and this is hon. So yon hon means four long and thin objects. Five long and thin objects is to be pronounced as, this is go, five, and this is hon. So go hon means five long and thin objects. Then six long and thin objects is, this is roku, and this is hon, but it is going to be pronounced as ropon. It's an exception, ropon. Then seven long and thin objects, it is going to be pronounced as, this is seven, nana, and this is hon. So nana hon. Then eight long and thin objects, it is going to be pronounced as, this is hachi, eight, and this is hon, but it is going to be pronounced as happon. It's an exception. Happon means eight long and thin objects. Then nine long and thin objects, it is going to be pronounced as, this is nine, q, and this is hon. So q hon means nine long and thin objects. Then 10 long and thin objects, it is going to be pronounced as, this is the kanji of ju, 10, this is hon. So but it is going to be pronounced as juppon. Juppon means 10 long and cylindrical objects. Then how many long and thin objects are there? So it is going to be pronounced as nan. This is the kanji of nan, and this is hon. So it is going to be pronounced as nambon. Now to count the month of the year, this kanji is used. The kunyomi, the Japanese reading of this kanji is tsuki, means moon or month. But it has two different onyomi. The Chinese reading, one is gatsu and another is getsu. So to say January, February, March, April, we will use gatsu. Memorize the counting 1 to 10 in Japanese and add gatsu. For example, January is ichigatsu. Ichi is 1, so ichigatsu is January. Ni gatsu. Ni is 2, so nigatsu is February. San is 3. Sangatsu. It has become March. And April, it's an exception. It is shigatsu. Its reading is shi. Instead of yon, it is shigatsu. And May, gogatsu. Go is 5, so gogatsu is May. Then June is rokugatsu. Roku is 6, so rokugatsu, June. July is shichigatsu. Shichi is 7. Here we will not use nana. It is always shichi. Shichigatsu is July. Then August is hachi. Hachi is 8. Hachigatsu is August. September is kugatsu. Ku is 9. So kugatsu is September. Here we will not use Q, which is also 9. So it is kugatsu for September. October is jugatsu. Ju is 10. So jugatsu is October. November, Juichi Gatsu. So Ju 10 and add 1. So Juichi is 11. So Juichi Gatsu is November. December is Juni Gatsu. So Ju is 10 and Ni 2. So 10 plus 2 is 12. Juni Gatsu is December. And what month is Nan Gatsu? Nan is what and Gatsu is the month. So what month? And there is another way to say months. For example, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Again, this kanji is used. Is kunyomi, the Japanese reading is tsuki, which means moon or month. But it's onyomi. It has two ways. One is gatsu, which we have just done for January, February. And another is getsu. Here we will use getsu. For example, 1 month, it is ikkagetsu. It's an exception. Instead of ichi kagetsu, it's ikkagetsu. 2 months, it's simple. Ni is 2, so nikagetsu. 3 months, sankagetsu. So san is 3, sankagetsu is 3 months. 4 months, yonkagetsu. So yon is 4, yonkagetsu is 4 months. 5 months, go kagetsu. Go means 5, so go kagetsu is 5 months. 6 months, rokkagetsu. It's an exception. Instead of rokukagetsu, it's rokkagetsu. So 7 months is nanakagetsu. Nana is 7. 8 months is hakkagetsu. Instead of hachi, hachi is 8, but here it's an exception. It is hakkagetsu. Then 9 months, it is kyukagetsu. So here 9 is Q. Kyukagetsu. 10 months is jukkagetsu. It is Ju, but since it's an exception, it is jukkagetsu. And to ask how many months, it is nankagetsu. Now, the counter for days of the month, it is this kanji. The kunyomi of this kanji is he, means day or sun. Its onyomi is nichi. But from the 1st to 10th of the days of the month, the reading is a bit different. So the first day of the month is suitachi, though the kanji is ichi and this the day nichi, but it is suitachi. Second day is futsuka. Third day is mikka. Fourth day is yokka. Fifth day is itsuka. Sixth day is muika. 7 days nanoka. 8th day is yoka. 9th day is kokonoka. 10th day is toka. So 1 to 10, the reading is different, but from 11 onwards, it is following the rule. So 11th day of the month is Ju Ichi Nichi. This is Ju 10, then this is Ichi. So 10 plus 1 is 11, then Nichi means day. So Ju Ichi Nichi. 12th is also simple. Ju Ni Nichi. 13 is Ju San Nichi. 14th day of the month, the reading is an exception. It is Ju Yoka. The 15th day of the month is easy. It is Ju Go Nichi. 16th is also easy. Ju Roku Nichi. 17th is Ju Sichi Nichi. We will not say Ju Nana Nichi. It is Ju Sichi Nichi. 18th day is Ju Hachi Nichi. 19th day is Ju Kunichi. Instead of Q, it is Ju Kunichi. Then 20th day is Hatsuka. It is an exception. 21st day is Ni Ju Ichi Nichi. Ni is 2 and Ju is 10. So 2 into 10 is 20. Then add Ichi. So it has become 21. So Ni Ju Ichi Nichi is 21st day. And 22nd day is Ni Ju Ni Nichi. 23rd day, Niju San Nichi. 24th day, it is an exception. It is Niju Yoka. 25th day, Niju Go Nichi. 26th day, Niju Roku Nichi. 27th day, Niju Sichi Nichi. 28th day, Niju Hachi Nichi. 29th day, Niju Kunichi. 30th is Sanju Nichi. 31st is Sanju Ichinichi. And what day is Nan Nichi. Counter for small round objects is Tsu. So one small or round object is Hitotsu. 2 is Futatsu. 3 small round objects is Mitsu. 4 small round objects is Yotsu. 5 one is Itsutsu. 6 one is Mutsu. So 7 small round objects, it is Nanatsu. 8 small round objects, it is Yatsu. 9 small round objects, it is Kokonotsu. And 10 small round objects, it is To. And how many of such kind of small or round objects? It is Ikutsu. So the small round objects are counted as Hitotsu, Futatsu, Mitsu up to 10. But from 11 onwards, they will be counted as Juichi, Juni, Jusan, and so on. The kunyomi, the Japanese reading of this kanji is Hito, which means person. It has 2 onyomis. The Chinese reading, Jin, and the second reading is Nin. If this kanji comes after the country's name, it will give the sound Jin. For example, Indo-Jin. It is Indian, Indo-Jin. America Jin means American national. And the other onyomi, the Chinese reading is Nin. So when it comes after the numbers or numerical, its reading is Nin. but there are some exceptions while counting people. So this is the kanji of one person. But the reading is hitori, hitori. Here it will not give the reading nin. This is the kanji of two persons. The reading is futari. Again, here it will not give the reading nin. But after that, it will give the sound nin. Three persons. Three persons. Reading is san nin. Four persons. The reading is yonin. Five persons. The reading is gonin. Six persons. The reading is rokunin. Seven persons. Is sichinin. Sichinin. 8 persons. Hachinin. Nine persons. Kunin. Ten persons. Junin. How many persons? How many persons is nanin? to count more than 10 persons, simply add the number and this kanji, which is to be pronounced as nin. In Japanese language, long and cylindrical objects are counted by using the counter hon. This is the kanji of hon. It is used to count cylindrical objects like pen, pencils, umbrella, bottles, etc. This means a pawn. Means one long and cylindrical object. This means nihon. Means two long and cylindrical objects. This is sambon. It means three long and cylindrical objects. This is yonhon. Means four long and cylindrical objects. This is gohon. Five long and cylindrical objects. This is ropon. Means six long and cylindrical objects. This is nanahon. Means seven long and cylindrical objects. This is happon. Means eight long and cylindrical objects. This is kyuhon. Means nine long and cylindrical objects. This is juppon. Means 10 long and cylindrical objects. So you can count from 11 till infinity by using this kanji or method. This is nanbon. Means how many of such long and cylindrical objects. This is the kanji of moon and month. Its kunyomi is tsuki. Kunyomi means Japanese reading. It has two onyomis. Gatsu and Getsu. If it comes immediately after the number, it will give Gatsu sound. And months are made with this. For example, this is Ichi and this will give the sound Gatsu. So it has become Ichi, Ichigatsu, means January. And it has become Nigatsu, means February. This is San Katsu, means March. This is Shigatsu, April. This is Gogatsu, May. This is Rokugatsu, June. This is Shichigatsu, July. Hachigatsu, August. This is Kugatsu, September. This is Jugatsu, October. This is Juichigatsu, November. November. This is Ju Nigatsu. December. And this is Nangatsu. Nangatsu means what month or which month? What month or which month? If this kanji is not immediately followed by a number or numerical, then it will give getsu sound, which is the second onyomi of it. Sengetsu means last month. So this is Sengetsu. Last month. Kongetsu. Kongetsu means this month. This month. Raigetsu. Raigetsu. Next month. This is Getsuyobi, means Monday. Getsu Yobi. Getsuyobi means Monday. This is Ikkagetsu, means 1 month. Nikagetsu. 2 months. Sankagetsu, 3 months. Yonkagetsu, 4 months. Gokaketsu, 5 months. Rokkagetsu, 6 months. Nanakagetsu, 7 months. Hakkagetsu, 8 months. Kyukagetsu, 9 months. Jukkagetsu, 10 months. Nankagetsu, how many months? The kunyomi, the Japanese reading of this kanji is he, which means day and sun. The onyomi, The Chinese reading is Nichi. Which is used for making days. For example, the first day of the month is Tsui Tachi. This reading is not Nichi here, it's Tsui Tachi. The second day is Futsuka. The third is Mikka. The fourth is Yokka. The fifth day is Itsuka. The sixth day is Muika. The seventh day is Nanoka. The eighth day is Yoka. The ninth day is Kokonoka. The 10th day is Toka. The 11th day is Juichinichi. The 12th day is Juninichi. The 13th day is Jusanichi. The 14th day is 14日 The 15th day is 15 日 The 16th day is 16 日 The 17th day is 17日 The 18th day is 18日 The 19th day is 19日 The 20th day is 20日 and the 21st day is 21日 and the 22nd day is 22日 and the 23rd day is 23日 The 24th day is 24日 25th day is Niju Go Nichi. 26th day is Niju Roku Nichi. 27th day is Niju Sichinichi. 28th day is Niju Hachinichi. 29th day is Niju Kunichi. 30th day is Sanjunichi. 31st day is Sanju Ichinichi. 'What day of the month is Nannichi?